Okay guys, now I'm gonna teach you. In our previous lecture we completed about the draw in tulips, line, rectangle, 3 point line, circle, arc, and the polygons with 6 side, 5 side. You can choose whatever you want to sides. Revision clouds, splines. Here it is a spline and region and nodes. Now we are going to learn about something new. Next part for AutoCAD tutorial part 2. Okay, I'm drawing a rectangular here. I'm drawing a rectangular. Okay, it is my rectangular. Now I want to I want to separate these lines. So what we are gonna do? Type X space, then click on this sketch. By left click on mouse, then space again. See, the line is separated. Now I'll show you how to copy this line here upside. Okay, I'm taking a command from here. See this in right side, copy. It shows me a copy. Otherwise you can type a CO space on keyboard. Here it is a copy command in process. Then on this line upside. Okay, so I will click this copy command and click on this line. After clicking the left mouse button, then I'm again pressing the right mouse button. So here we go, and click on this point. My effect is ortho is off, so I'm going to on ortho by pressing effect on keyboard. I'm going to upside. Here I want a line here, otherwise I want a line 5 mm up, so I will type a 5 space. See here my 5 mm, and type escape for exit command. See, my line is 5 mm up. Here it is the midpoint. Just we draw this. Now we are going to erase this. Here it is a 5 mm up. This line 5 mm goes up. So now we are going to learn about mirror. Okay. Here it is. I am drawing a line here. Okay. I'm drawing a line here. I want to line this line here with exact same dimension. If this is dimension is 5 mm, then I want to this dimension 5 mm. So I want this line exact here, opposite of this line. So what I'm gonna do here, it shows me a mirror. Go to the right side toolbar, it shows me a mirror. Okay, otherwise you can type MI space on keyboard, then click on this line, left click on this line, and then right click of mouse, then click the reference point. Here it is a reference point. Here it is a reference point. Then again right click of mouse, it shows me a see in the command line erase source of object. I don't want to do anything here, so I will click right click of mouse and enter. See, this line appears here with exact same dimension here. Okay, now mirror command is okay. Now I'm gonna show you a offset. And this line, it offset is the same command, it works like copy. Okay, I will show you offset, how to offset this line 5 mm upside, 5 mm downside. This line 5 mm upside, 5 mm downside. I will show you how to do this. Type O space Then it shows me see in this command line, it shows me a specific offset distance. I will type a T space for through. I want the through offset. So see in the command line here, select object to offset. So I will select this line. I want this line 5 mm up, 5 mm down. Okay, 5 mm up, 5 mm down, and 5 mm up. Okay, I will show you again. See, pressing offset, then I will give a 5 mm, then left click on the object whichever line you have to offset, and I will click this line by left click of mouse, and I will click upside. I want to this line upside 5 mm, and I want to this line downside 5 mm. Here it is comes. Okay, this is the offset. Now I'm gonna show you how to move this line to here 5 mm upside. Here it shows me a move command. Otherwise you can type a M space and select the object by left click of mouse, then again right click and again left click. See in the command line it shows me a specify base point displacement I already given. Then it is a second, it shows me a specify second point. See the specify second point. I can give you a second point here, but I want to 5 mm up, so I will give you a distance 5 mm. Typing a 5 space. See this line is moved 5 mm upside. Okay, move command is okay. Then I will show you a rotate. Rotate it is in a, see here it is a rotate. Otherwise you can type RO space. I want to rotate this line horizontally, this vertical line horizontally I want to rotate. So after typing RO space, I will click on this line, then right click, select the center point. I want to rotate from the center, so I will select the center point and click left click again. See it is rotated. Rotates. Okay. Rotate command is over. Okay. Now I will show you how to join the line. I will show you how to join the line. I'm doing same copy here, here by left click here. Okay, I want to trim this thing here. I want to trim this all. Before go to the join, you want to complete the trim. Okay, so I am showing you how to trim this part. Okay, here it is the command trim. You can see the trim. Otherwise you can type tr space, again space, tr double space. Okay, here it just a left click here and drag upside. Okay, I want to trim this thing I want to trim now. Okay, I will do the same, tr double space, click here and drag downside. Click here by left click of mouse and drag downside. Otherwise I want to this. Otherwise I want to trim this. Otherwise I want to trim this. You can trim this by using the left click of mouse. Okay. Now Now I will show you how to extend this line. I want to extend this line here. I want to extend this line here. I want to extend this line here. Okay. Here it is a command shows me on toolbar extend. Extend. Otherwise you can type ex double space. See in the command line. Don't do anything in command line. Just click on this line here. It extends. Again, again, again. Click here. Click here. Click here. I want to extend this by. I want to extend this. I want to extend this. Just click on the line by using the left click of mouse. Now I'm going to show you how to break the points. Here it is a total line. See in here. See this line. This is a total. I want to break this line. It is a randomly breakpoint. So I will click here breakpoint. Here it is shows in the toolbar. Click here by left click of mouse button. And I will click there and here. See the point is break here. On the second reference it breaks. Okay. Again I will show you. Here take first point here and second point here. The point will break here. The line will be break here. Okay. This line have now different properties. This line have different property. This line have a different property now. After breakpoint using. There is another break. It is same work like breakpoint, but it is some like a different. See in the here. I will show you how to break this. I want to break this area, this line. Okay. See. Click on this line. It shows me a break a select object. Okay. Same like this. For undo, click here. Now I will show you how to join the lines. I want to join this line with each other. I will click here, join, toolbar. Otherwise I can type GOIN. See in the command line join and space. Click on this line, first line and second line by using a left click of mouse and then click a right click of mouse. See the line will join. Now I will gonna show you how to chamfer in corner chamfering. You can see the 45-degree corner chamfer. Okay, here it is a chamfer. See in the chamfer. Otherwise you can type chamfer by using a keyboard. After typing a chamfer, then hit a space. It shows me a select first line. So here it is so many points, but it is not useful. I will take only distance. Okay, so I will press the D space. It shows me a specify first chamfer. See in the command line it shows me a specify first line. I will press a D space, then in the second, see in here specify first chamfer distance. Shows me a specify first chamfer distance. So I will give a 5 mm. I want a 5 mm chamfer. So I will press here a 5 mm, 5 space. It shows me a specify second chamfer distance. I will again click a 5 mm. It shows me a select first line. So I will click here on this. This is my first line and this is my second line. See, this is a 5 mm here to here, 5 mm here to here, 5 mm. Okay, you can now imagine 5 mm this distance and 5 mm this distance. First point, second point, first point, second point. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to fillet the corners, like a rounding the corners. See here it is showing a fillet. Otherwise you can press a F5EET. Sorry, you can type a fillet by using a keyboard. After typing a fillet, then hit a space. It shows me a select first object. See, in the command line it shows me a select first object, undo, polyline, radius, trim, multiline. That is not useful. All this, the radius is useful only. So I will hit a R space. See, in the second command, specify fillet radius. I will give a fillet radius. I want a fillet radius 3.5. See, select first object. I want here first object. Select second object. See, in the round corners. After doing a fillet, just trim this thing by using a here. Otherwise, you can tr double space for trim this line. Okay, here it is complete. Now I'm going to how to delete this all things. Just press the left button of mouse, then drag upside. Otherwise, you can press here and drag downside. Press upside. I'm doing now this, and again left click after selection all, and then hit the delete of keyboard. See, this is a deleted. In this lecture we see a copy, move, offset, join, breaks and all things, the modify. Now in the next lecture we will see the layers. Here it is the layers, here it is a color control, line control, and how to insert the image file in the AutoCAD file, and the layout. This is a layout. We will see this in a next lecture. And array and hatchings. Okay,